Every time a customer finds you on Google, there's a section on your listing that allows you to show them exactly what you want them to see, whether a special offer, whether a promotion you are running, whether it's a new service that you have now, or it's an announcement you want to make. You can share this in a video format, a graphics format, a still image, whatever format you want to use to make this announcement or this post. You can just add it to your Google business profile. This is called Google Post and it's completely free. But the funny thing is that so many Nigerian business owners don't even know that it exists. Think about how you pay a lot of money to advertise on Facebook and Instagram just to show people your content, your post, your graphics, your video. But just look at that, getting it for free on Google. When somebody searches and finds you, that offer, that post, that video is right there in their eyes and they are seeing it as zero advertising costs to you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a post for your Google business profile, what to post and when, and how to use it to convert people who are just browsing to people who will actually contact you. But first, let me show you what a Google post actually looks like, because once you see how it appears in the front of your customers, you will understand exactly why it is very important. Every time a customer finds you on Google, there's a section on your listing where you can allow them to see exactly what you want to show them, whether it's a promotion, whether it's a special offer, whether it's a video, maybe it's a new service you are rendering, and you can actually show them in form of a graphics, a video post, a still image, anyhow you want to make an announcement, you want to show them something that is readily available for you on your Google listing. This is called Google Post and it's completely free, but funny enough, so many Nigerian business not even that it exists and they've never used it for even once. Think about how you have been paying to advertise on Instagram and on Facebook. Now imagine getting such amount of visibility right at the moment that someone is already searching for your business at zero advertising cost. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a post on your Google business profile, what to post and even when to post it, and also how you can convert people who are just browsing to people who will actually contact you to do business with you. But first, let me show you what a Google post actually looks like, because once you see it the way your customers are going to see it, it will change your perspective and you know how important this is. So when someone searches for you and finds your business on Google, now right at the right hand side here that shows update. So these are different posts that they will see about you, and this is definitely going to either encourage them to patronize you more or they will not, based on what you have here. So if you check here now, you can make as many as possible. So these are different posts that I have actually made on my Google. So you can actually use to make an announcement, show whatever is happening. You can see here, you can add update, add offer, add event that is coming up. You can put your graphics, a video, anyhow you want to do it. Just make any type of content format that you want to put here. You just go ahead and make it. So if you have a promotion that is running, it will show here. If you just launch a new service, it appears here. If you have an upcoming event, it shows there. And there's a button right on each of the posts that can make your customers to call you, visit your website, or do anything them to do each of the posts, or take whatever action that you want them to take. So this is just like you having a mega billboard by your business side, and if you have never made any post, that place is going to be empty, doing nothing. So that's a lot of advertising space that you are just wasting. The businesses that post consistently on Google don't just look active, but Google's algorithm also rewards them. Fresh content signals to Google that this is an active and relevant business, and that increases how often it shows your profile to customers who are searching for your type of business in your location. Creating a post is very simple. Let me quickly walk you through how to do it. So just open your Google and search for your business name. So you should meet yourself on this profile once you search for your business name. If you can't find this profile, it's most likely that you have logged in with a different email account from the one you use in creating this. Now, if you don't have access to your Google account again, probably somebody created it for you, you don't know the email they use, or you have forgotten the email you use, you have forgotten the password or whatever, or any of that. I have actually created another video where I explain how you can claim your Google business account back if you've lost it or you don't have access to the email and all of that. So you can just go ahead and watch that video. I'm going to link it up here and also in the description of this video, so you can just go watch that particular video. But if you have the account, if you should meet yourself on somewhere here. So at this place, you see where it says post. So I'm going to just click on post. So just as simple as that, I'll click on add post. So it's either an update, an offer, on an event. So I'll just go and select either an image or a video. You can schedule it. So if you feel like you are very busy, you can just set up a day you put all your content, you can schedule them to different days ahead. So if I put schedule now, I can choose the date that I want to schedule it to. So that makes it even easier for you. You can set up one day in a month, one day in a week. You come and put some posts there, schedule it so that every day new posts are going fresh on your page. Somebody that goes to your account and see you just posted few hours ago, the person is definitely going to know that you're an active business that is doing something. And those ones now, there's no algorithm that is controlling it, so it just stays on your page like that. It makes it to be more active and look more relevant to your customers. So once you have selected the picture, the graphics, or the video you want to use, if you want to crop it, you can click here to crop it. Mind you, they allow you to post only one picture per post. So unlike other social media platforms that you can add multiple pictures. So they allow only one. So let me go and select the picture or the video that I want to make use of. So I just pick up one of these, and you can crop it if you want to, and you can click here to crop it if you want to. So over here now you add your description. So is either an update, an offer, or maybe an event. So if it's an offer or an event, those ones we have maybe a start date or an end date if the offer is time bound. But an update is your regular post, which is something you're going to be doing more often. So you can click here now to schedule it to the future, and you can add a button here. So if I click here, I can add a button. You can see different buttons, say order online, learn more, sign up, call now. So if I want my customers to call, if I want them to go to my website, so let's use learn more. Then you can just put the link to your website or any other page you want them to go after here. So once you're done, just go ahead and click on post. Or if you schedule it, you click post, it's going to appear live on the day you have scheduled it to be. So one of the questions that a lot of business owners ask is that, what exactly can I be posting on my Google profile? So here are 5 ideas of what you can actually make posts about. First of all is a recent job or service you completed. So you can just say something like, we just helped a client in social area with social service. Yes, what we did. You can add photos of what you did and how you do it. You can just give explanation of that. So that is going to help new customers that are finding you to be like, okay, so you do this actually. Now, the second is a promotion or a discount. This week only, we are offering 10% off for this particular service. You can just mention that in a post, and that is going to help people that will find you to know that, okay, there's an offer that is going on. If they wanted to procrastinate patronizing you before, they will know that this is the right time for them to patronize you. So another thing you can make posts about is a common questions you get a lot. So it can be like, customers often ask us, you put the questions there, and here is the answer. So what this helps to do is that it helps you to build trust and shows your expertise. Then you can do a reminder of what you offer. Once in a while, you can just do a simple awareness video that, do we offer so service so across so area, or call us today, send us a WhatsApp, visit our website, and I showed you how to add a button to the page so that they can just simply do the action that you want them to do. Then you can also do a customer's result, maybe their testimonials, their reviews, their before and after, whatever that they've shared that you've done for them. So you can just put, with their permission actually, you can just go ahead and share before and after of their transformations, maybe a short story about the problem that you help them to solve. So those are like 5 different content ideas you can post. Now, and that one that is even easier is that, go to your Instagram, go to your Facebook, go and dig those other posts you have made on other social media platforms. Then you schedule it to be on your Google page. So you can just, I showed you how to schedule earlier. So you can just go ahead and schedule this post then. So it goes live. So I usually recommend that you post at least once a week. But if you can do it every day, that's better. If you go and dig out all your old posts from your other social media platforms, you can schedule it to be on Google so that you set up one day in a week or one day in a month that you schedule all of them. So you know that, okay, throughout this week or throughout this month, there's at least one post that is going live on my Google page. When customers come to your page and they see you made a post just few hours ago, it makes them know that you are active. But when they are seeing posts that you made 7 years ago, they'll be like, is this person still actively in business? So that's one thing that you want to make sure you do. So now you've seen how you can actually make posts on your Google business profile. Now, apart from this Google post that makes your account to be relevant and to be up to date, another important factor that Google use to determine which particular business they show to a particular customer that is searching is reviews. I have a lot of videos on my page that talks about how you can get reviews and how you can ask reviews from your customers. But one thing I have noticed from doing helping so many business owners is that the challenge is always how do they consistently do this, which is something we help you to do at Revieme. So we set up a system for you that helps you to request for reviews from your customers at the end of every transactions you did for them. So basically, just the same way that Uber or Bolt will ask you to give them a review once you get to your destination and the ride ends. The next thing you see on your screen is give us a review. And you see how easy it is for you to give that review. That's basically what we do for you at Revieme. So we offer 7 days free trial. This is something you can just go ahead and use the first link in the description of this video to just book an onboarding call with us. But before then, we're going to probably check if you are the right fit for us, because we are not able to do this for all businesses. There are some businesses that we are able to do it for. So you want to reach out to us, just use the first link in the description of this video and you go on an onboarding call with us. If you are very fit for us, we set up for you live there and there, and you start receiving reviews on your page. And we do it by doing something we call review reactivations. In that process, we help you to set up a system that go to your old customers, people that have patronized you before. So it asks them for review. Now we do get within 15 to 30% reviews from these people, so which is an addition to your page. Then the new customers that you have as well, you start getting reviews. Then in less than no time, you see that you are the one that is topping the search of your page as whenever people are looking for your service. If this is something you're interested in, use the first link in the description of this video, and I'm going to see you in that one.